I'm from iCookGlutenfree.com, and today we're making teriyaki steak. In today's recipe, I'm going to use green and red bell peppers. Now, these are dehydrated. You could use one or the other and just use one pepper. I live in Alaska. It's easier just to have the peppers on hand. One medium sliced onion, 2 cloves of garlic just chopped. Doesn't have to be chopped fine or anything. Here's our spices. We have 1 chili pepper dried, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. Now, teriyaki sauce. Make sure your bottle says gluten-free. And label reading never hurts. 8 ounces of sliced mushrooms. I used crimini. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And I have a top sirloin roast here that I'm just going to slice up into smaller pieces. Take the top sirloin roast and cut thin slices. So you need a nice sharp knife. Once we finish slicing, the one way I like to cut them in half and make the little smaller pieces, kind of like medallions. They just cook better. First, we're going to put our olive oil in a pan. Move it around a little bit, even it out. Put the meat in there. Now this is only going to take about 3 minutes. We're just going to cook this meat until it just turns brown on both sides. I'm going to flip the meat over. Like I said, you just want to get it brown on each side. It's been about a minute and a half so far. Now it can just turn brown. These are really tender cuts. You'll have plenty of time for cooking. It doesn't really even need that long since the pieces are so small. I set my meat aside and I'm going to put the onions and garlic in. Now they are going to cook for about 2 or 3 minutes at first. Now just as the onions are starting to get soft, going to put your pepper in. And the mushrooms. Now, it looks like there's a whole bunch of mushrooms in there. But as mushrooms cook, they get a lot smaller and softer. So we're going to saute this for at least 3 minutes. Stirring occasionally. And the mushrooms will shrink and the onions will go clear. The mushrooms have gotten smaller and the onions have become clear. And now the spices. I'm going to put the meat back in. Mix everything together. And I'm going to add the whole bottle of teriyaki. Now this is a 10-ounce bottle of teriyaki. That's all you need. Gonna give it a few quick stirs. And we want to bring it to where the teriyaki sauce is just boiling. Giving it one more good stir. And then want to make sure that we kind of flatten it out so the juices just get in the steak, and then we can put a cover on it. We're going to put it on simmer about 10 minutes, just until all the flavors go together. It's been 10 minutes. Let's open it up. Oh, the smell is incredible. I've got some white rice. Let's put it on. Let's taste. Delicious. Now that's how you make teriyaki steak.